What is the difference between eBay and a flea market? Well, they both have some cool used stuff, but at a flea market, there's no shipping costs. And in some cases, if it's electronic, you can test them right on site. Plus, the sellers on eBay do not have to pack up and take unsold merchandise back home with them, giving you an advantage. Another plus is best offer. If you play the he said, she said game, for example, taking the old lady and asking the merchant if he can go a little bit lower because she said, "This is all I have to spend." Sometimes this works because it's harder to tell people no in person, unlike eBay. You can find good stuff for flipping at flea markets sometimes, which simply means buying and selling for a profit. Which brings me to these 3 items I picked. First, I spotted this hard case with 1080p monitor for toting your console around. Untested price was $20, paid $20. Second was the Shiba satellite laptop, which was displayed powered up with password locked hard drive. They wanted $20. I told the vendor, she said I could only do $15. Last was Sony PlayStation 3, price tag $50. Fella says works great, but no game nor Blu-ray to test. Pretended to walk away twice and whispered, "Hey, she says I could do $35. Now, only problems I seen with the PS3 were it had no hard drive caddy, so the hard drive was just flopping around, and all the air intake holes were just severely covered with dirt and dust. So I'm going to take it apart and clean it up and get it just a little bit more appealing to resell. So I hope you follow. Ironically, this isn't the dirtiest PS3 I've ever seen. So off camera, I'm just going to take I'm going to blow out the dirt or just use a paintbrush to gently get the hard to reach areas. Sometimes the flea market flip works out. I'll have to let you know how much I sell that stuff for. But anyways, you know, that's how I fund my channel. That's how I get the things that I want that I can't normally get, just by fixing them up and selling them for a little bit more money. Check out my General Lee, how I fix that up, that old BC 7800 HP, and you know, hit the like button and give me some comments. Let me know what you guys think.